Hey there guys, we have something new to unbox here. This is the Huawei's Optic Wi-Fi modem. Let's get into the unboxing experience. So the unboxing experience is pretty average, okay, nothing crazy. So this is an Ethernet cable. Let's get that out of here. So Ethernet cable, then there is a sticker. So that's not like Ethernet cable, that's good. Okay, then we have the modem. This is the box. There's nothing in it. So the modem we have here is the Huawei's Optic Fibre modem, like I said. So if you want the full name, it's the EchoLife EG8141A5. So yeah, let's just get it out of this box really quick. Okay. Oh, this is the warranty. Warranty. And this is the box. Modem. White, because everything is black here, so I ordered white. So yeah, and this is the antennas, 2 antennas, and we have so many ports here, and yeah. And oh, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to mention this. This is the power adapter which came with it. I forgot this came in the box. So just power it up. There you go. Okay, and you just plug this here, and so plugged it in, and we have to press this button right here. Boop, power button, and here you go. So this green/yellow light right here is the power light, and all these other will flash when I properly connect to something. Not all the things that are required to connect. So if you connect to a Wi-Fi, will come up with W WLAN, so it will come up there, and WPS and all those, and LAN 3, LAN 4, so you can connect up to 4 LANs. So pretty good, and also got all the necessary features, and plus 2 antennas. So this provides 1 GE port and 1 POTS port and 3 FE ports, and supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So that's pretty good. And they also says that this is the best choice for broadband connection. I don't know, I haven't tested it out yet. So I think this offers 300 Mbps of internet speed. The maximum capacity is 300 Mbps. I read it over their website. I didn't research much for it, but if you want, you can ask me down the comment section, and I will research and I will answer. So this is the Huawei's Optic modem, Optic Fibre Wi-Fi modem. So yeah, that's it. This is it. So if you want to buy this, I will link it down in the description. I will link their official website. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you very soon. Peace.